Today we're at the second day of our MIPS conference for 2009 in Las Vegas, and I'm really happy to see how this has developed. When I did the first MIPS back in 2006, it was a one-man show that put everything together with the vision of driving this to be an ecosystem for Milestone in the future. And naturally, when you're one man trying to do everything, there are a lot of things that fall on the sideline. Today we've refined MIPS. This is our 7th MIPS, the 4th in the US, and we have 3 in Europe. And we've gotten to a level where it's clear that the vision of building a ecosystem around the Milestone integration platform is taking form. We have people that have come back for their, actually we have one person here that's been at 7 MIPS, which is very impressive. We have a lot of Americans that have been at 4 MIPSs in the US. And we start to see a kernel of followers that have developed into our very highly appreciated ecosystem partners that are helping throw the stone in the water to make rings. So we are spreading the message about the open platform as we want it to. Well, there's no doubt that we have a financial crunch at the moment. And that's impacting certain segments of the market more than others. Where Milestone, basically what we've been building has been building a long-term trusted business partner concept for sustainable growth with our partners. And we're not adding anything specifically to this at this moment. However, we're sticking to what we've already put in place. There are some updates and things like that because we always listen to our partners to improve what we're doing. We're launching a better channel model where we're putting most of our business through distribution. We're protecting those partners that have chosen to go with us and have built business so that they get better conditions and more support from us. But at the same time, we're expanding our reach into the channel so that we can offer the trusted and certified support and features that is the hallmark of Milestone in bringing our open platform and driving the convergence into the security market. We walk the talk. So ever since we started our program here in the US in 2004, we've basically walked the talk. We've never gone direct to any end users. We haven't let distributors cut prices and lowball in direct to end users. So we've forced a clear two-tier model through. We've also been actively driving the certification so that people that got to sell our high-end products had to get trained and certified. Over the past 2 years, I've been collecting information from our channel worldwide. So at the MIPS, I've been conducting feedback sessions, both in Puerto Rico last year and especially in Copenhagen also last year. We had partner feedback sessions, which we repeated here at MIPS in 2009 in Las Vegas, to get significant feedback from our partners so that we can improve and hone in on what really is what the partners need. A process like that is actually takes a long time, and you can't make sudden changes. You need to make sure that your systems that back the partner program up, your pricing models, your partner agreements, and your distribution models, they all fall into lockstep into this. So our ambition internally was to launch this whole new partner program with one big bang on January 1st. Unfortunately, our systems are delayed by 2 months, so the true launch of this is going to happen in a few weeks, March 1st of 2009. And this is one of the reasons why most of the partners would only have read about this in our partner newsletters that have explained it. However, we're going to have a broad rollout over the next quarter and a half, which will enable us to better service and put the value into the consultative selling with the Milestone value selling framework, which we've been developing over the past year. We are the true open platform company. We're the company that walks the talk. We have documented APIs with software development kits that enable partners to develop integration so that our core video management software can video enable any digital business system that you need to video enable. And we focus on that. We don't spread out and try to become the access control vendor as well as the video analytics vendor, et cetera, we've created an interface so that we can partner with everybody in the market here. So people know where we stand, and they can trust that we're going to build the best video management engine in the market. In addition to that, we've realized some of the feedback is that there's a need for professional services in the market. So we've launched a set of professional services that can be used prior to going in and engaging on new installations or after the fact. So we have one product called STAR, which is a program where you can do a training and a search of what is really going on at somebody before you actually tell them what you think they should be doing. So they get recommendations on how they should optimize their security solution. And the Icon product is an after-the-fact optimization of their integration to third-party networks, networked equipment, and the way that they've installed the security solution.
Now, a lot of partners have asked about, what is Milestone doing to help get spec'd in and work with A&Es and consultants? Is the STAR project, does that help with that?
It could help. It depends on the end user type and the cycle that they're in their decision process. We do have architecture and engineering specs that can be used for that. We have our whole solution engineer department that can help people design their solutions. And we also have third-party consultancies that can also look at the competitive aspect and do competitive consulting so that you get the optimum solution that fits for that customer.